Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle. I wanted to take a minute to show you around my Canvas homepage. So once you click on my Canvas course, which is the Renaissance Library course, you will see this Bitmoji library page. There is contact information for me, so you can email me, call me, or DM me at our Instagram handle. And if you scroll down, there's not only the Bitmoji library, but there's descriptions of what all of the different links do. So instead of clicking around, if you don't want to take the time to click on everything, you can scroll through here and look at the bolded words to see exactly what is available. So a few things I want to point out on here are the help ticket form. This is a form that you can fill out if you are having trouble with any technology and need some help with that. There's also a book request form, and this is a form where you can request specific titles from our library. I'll give more information about how to find books from our library in just a minute. But if there's a book that is not here and you want to request it, that is available to you. There's also links to some databases here, but I'm going to show you another spot where the databases are linked as well. So those are kind of the highlights, but almost everything on this page is clickable and it is full of resources. So I hope that you will utilize some of those. Once you scroll back up to the top, the rest of the things in this course are in the modules page. So if you go ahead and click on modules, you will find a few different categories. There's an area about how to find books at our school. There's an area about the research databases. There's an area with links of videos that I created to show you how to get free ebooks and audiobooks from the public library. There's a link to our website, and then there's another link to our help ticket form. So I just want to show you a few of these right now. I'm going to start with the databases. The databases are available for research. So if you are doing research in a class, a database is a much more efficient way to find accurate articles that are reliable. It's so much easier than using Google, and you can link them directly here. So for example, if you come to this modules page and then you click ProQuest Central Student, this is kind of the main ProQuest search area, it literally opens this database directly on my Canvas page. So you don't even have to click out here to go out to the site. You can just start searching right here. And I'm going to be doing a lesson with all of the students at some point about how to use the databases. So stay tuned for that. I might even screencast that and post it here. But that can be a really useful way for you to access the database. So if you go back to modules, again, you can do that with any of the databases that are linked here. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you on modules is this video on finding books on Destiny. I don't want to show it to you because you just click it and it'll start playing, but I want to explain what that is. So Destiny is the program that allows you to search books in our library. So watching this video that's linked here, it will show you exactly how to look for books. So you can search by title, by author, by topic, by genre, and this video here will show you how to do all of those things. So if you are looking for a book but don't want to necessarily come and browse the shelves, feel free to use that tool to help you. So I hope that is useful. Like I said, you can go ahead and click through some of these other things if any of that interests you as well. I hope you have a beautiful week and come find me in the library. You know how to contact me right here if you need anything. Have a great one. Bye.